Hey, what's going on, guys? JPRK31 here. I am back. I'm opening the new 2024-25 Skybox Metal Universe Hockey Edition. There are 6 cards per pack, 15 packs per box. And looking for the liquid gold or the gold bullion. That's the chase right here. So let's go ahead and open it. As always, guys, if you have time, please do subscribe to my channel. Greatly appreciate it to do. I'm a small YouTuber, so greatly appreciate and get you guys support. I do try to open up the new products, but it's kind of expensive, so I'm just doing what I can afford. But I'm going to show you guys a variety of things, so a variety of products, as we say. Just give you guys an idea. Anyway, with the hockey, this is more like a nostalgia break. I like Upper Deck, so especially with the Metal Universe. So let's go ahead and see what we can get. All right, start off with the left side. I'll work the way to the right side. There we go. Chuck Eichel. It's a nice looking. I like how clean the design is. And we got a Mason McTavish Gen C, not numbered, insert, and a rookie of Emil Lilleberg. Alright, like I said, I like the clean look. These cards, it's pretty nice. And these are just base, guys, so I won't bore you with it. Patrick Kane. We have a silver shots of Travis Konecny, and a rookie of Nikita Chibrov. Rookie cards, they're pulling at 1 per pack so far. 1 insert also. Again, the case will be that liquid gold. The gold bullion. That liquid gold looks nice. I've seen some breakers open it. So, got a Connor Bedard 2nd year base. And we have our first number card of Cutter Gauthier, $3.99. This is the Z-Force. And rookie, I'm Celebrini right here. So at least we got Celebrini. That's good. It would be nice if that was a number card. But my first Celebrini rookie card. Also with young guns from Clear State, so. Caulfield. And we got a waving Josh Morrissey. It's a weird insert, but pretty cool nonetheless. And the rookie of who's that rookie? Brian Halligan. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce their last names. Alright. Moving on. I'll do a recap again, guys, and show you the hits and the inserts. Rookies, Steven Stamkos. And we have an auto of Mason Morelli. Mason Morelli, auto. So I guess the rookie of Justin Buzzer. So I guess all the hits are on the left side. The number card and the photo. Alright, so I don't know, this box will be dead since we pulled the photo, but hopefully not. What is this? Downing, Robert Thomas insert, and a Liam Ogren rookie. News base. Bill Sachak. Leon Drysel. We have Cert Engines. Matthew Neese. And we have Oscar Back, rookie. Yeah, I think if we get lucky, we'll, in case it's still here, then we get lucky, but I think we'll get the 2 autos. This one's nice, guys. This is like the alphabetical. So there's a Sidney Crosby. I wish they were numbered. I see that one. A nice looking card. I think this one was retailing for, I think it was like 130 or 140. These are just base prospects of Oscar Bike. Another rookie. Gage Gonçalves. I think the Calabrini is the one that, or Celebrini, however you pronounce that, is the chase. Alright, these are just base. Yeah, I like the look of the base. Pavel Sacha, silver shots, and then Bill Kemp. I'll put this on the side right here. Alright, we have one more side to go. This is the right side. This would be weird because somebody opens a single box. You know, if you're in a card shop, if you get lucky enough, go with the left side and Kyle Connor. Or if you see the left side's already done, don't get it. Blast Furnace and Connor Geeky. Just base. I just like Artemi Panarin for the Rangers. This is the Z-Force. Kyle McCarr, Z-Force. Another rookie. I don't want to pronounce it because I'm going to murder it. Coronado, Paige Johnson. There we go. This is a Connor McDavid base. I like that. Nikolai Kovalenko prospects. This is the Skybox Premium. Not numbered. And our last pack. Last chance to get the bullion or the gold. Dabish, Lucky Van Andrews Lee, Skiva Sarab, Bill Kemp prospects, and Sam Colangelo. All right, so I mean, best rookie is actually that. Of course, it's that Celebrini. And then, let me go through all the hits right here, guys. Just the prospects. I mean, they're not rare. The Z-Force, Panarin, Blast Furnace. These are the single shots. Again, the prospects full. That's 3. I like this one right here. The Crosby, alphabetical. Nice concept. Here's our Mason Morelli rookie. And the number guy is Cutter Gauthier at the $3.99. So no PMGs and all that stuff, but hey, it's fun break. Again, I like the looks of it. Looks better than the previous one, I believe, in terms of like design wise. So there you have it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next break. Have a good day. Bye bye.